What's going on YouTube? It's Sean here, and I am super excited to give you guys my early review of the Air Jordan 4 Retro Levi's NRG in the black colorway. So before we go on with this review, I'm just absolutely lost for words. So Jordan Brand, direct from Beaverton, Oregon, sent me these shoes today. You guys should have seen me when I unboxed them. I was just like jumping for joy, absolutely lost for words. Thank you to everyone at Jordan Brand for the continuous love and continuous support. So with all that said, now let's jump back into the shoes. So these Levi's 4s are set to release alongside a white colorway this coming Saturday, June 30th. The retail price on these is slated for $225 US or 300 Canadian dollars. As expected, this will be a pretty tough shoe to cop. Here locally in Toronto, these are only available at select boutiques such as Capsule and Livestock, and they're also available probably in larger quantities at the Jordan store on 306 Yonge. So this comes in this red Jordan and Levi's co-branded box. At the top we have this metallic gold Jumpman logo, and then on the side we have the Levi's logo. Inside the box it comes with a special card that commemorates the partnership between Jordan Brand and Levi's. So as for the shoes, well, what can I say? This is a follow-up to the original Levi's Jordan 4, which was done in a blue denim color. In this case, it takes your classic Jordan 4 silhouette and basically covers the entire upper in this black denim material. So as you guys take a closer look, you'll see that the denim has a little bit of a wash to it, making it not a pure black, but rather a mixture of black, dark gray, and white. Being a Jordan 4, of course we have this plastic tab on the bottom 3 eyelets, and then on the right shoe only, it comes with a signature red Levi's tab found on the mid panel. We also have the wings of the Jordan 4. This is done in black denim, but the tips are done in plastic. Unlike your traditional Jordan 4 though, these Levi's 4s do not feature that netting that's commonly found on the mid panel over here, as well as on the toe box right here. Attached to the left foot, we have this leather hang tag that has the red Jumpman logo on the one side and the Levi Strauss logo on the other side. These come standard with black wax laces that have these gold lace tips. The tongue on these is also constructed out of denim, and at the very top we have this leather patch that has the Jordan logo in the center in red, and then only found on the left foot, we have this extra little piece on the right that has the Levi's logo, Air Jordan 4, and the size, which in this case is a size 10. So if you guys haven't made the connection by now, the tag found on the tongue is a nod to the tag that's commonly found on the back of your Levi's jeans that has your size and the style number. On the inside part of the tongue, we have this rectangular shaped leather patch. It says Air Jordan in upside down fashion with this red Levi's tab once again. Taking a look at the back of the shoe, instead of your standard plastic heel cup, in this case the heel cup is covered in black denim, and we have the Jumpman logo embossed in the center. The inner sock liner and the insole itself is also lined in black denim. On the heels, you can see that on the left foot it has the Levi's branding, and then on the right foot it has the Jumpman logo. So these Jordan 4 Levi's sits atop this midsole that's done primarily in black. You'll notice that a good chunk of this midsole is actually draped in denim. So this little piece right here along the forefoot, this is covered in denim, and then also wrapping around the back end of the heel as well. Of course, this wouldn't be a Jordan 4 if it didn't have this cutaway in the heel that exposes the air unit cushioning found within. In this case, the air unit is done in red. Turning these over to the bottom, so here we have your classic Air Jordan 4 outsole, primarily done in this gum finish. Along the forefoot and on the middle, we have this hit of red, and this is finished off with this Jumpman logo in the center. From a sizing standpoint, I'd say that these fit pretty true to size. So my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly wide, and I typically wear a size 10 in most of my Air Jordans. For Air Jordan 4s, I'm somewhere between a 10 or a 10.5, but Jordan Brand sent me these in a size 10 and they fit me absolutely perfect. To be honest, I was a little bit worried at first because I thought this denim material might be thicker than your traditional nubuck or your traditional leather, but it ended up fitting me spot on. Comfort-wise, I'd say that these are pretty average. You can't really feel the air cushioning within the midsole, and I'd say that the majority of the comfort comes from this insole that's provided. I definitely won't be picking this shoe off the shelf if I'm specifically looking for a shoe for comfort. Quality-wise, so I've never owned the first blue denim pair, so I really can't compare between the two, but just from judging this one on its own, I was really happy. The materials feel pretty good quality, it's quite heavy and pretty substantial, and the construction on this seems pretty well put together. Now that I've given you guys a pretty in-depth review of these Levi's 4s, let me lace these up and show you guys how these are on foot. So I still can't believe that Jordan Brand sent me these. This is a beautiful looking sneaker, and it's honestly speaking, I'm not just saying this because I have it, but this is definitely my favorite of the 3 Levi's 4s. I feel like it gives you that good balance between being a very unique and eye-catching looking sneaker, but at the same time the color scheme in itself makes it pretty wearable. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this black colored Air Jordan 4 Levi's. Best of luck to everyone who's planning on copying these this coming Saturday. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on my Instagram as well at sgo8, and be sure to check out my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, thank you for the continued support, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.